Can everybody see my screen? All right. Uh, Thank you, girl. Just like 10 minutes class, max. All right. So let's start. Let's start with um. um, so basically, if you're joining, just mute yourself. If you just mute yourself. You're joining. All right. Just mute yourself. So let's do one thing. So what one of the few things that one of the few acts that have really helped me in my trading is like waiting for high probability trading environments, right? Wait for high probability trading environment. And what are those trading environments? I basically want to use a key level that has been used before, right? Let's say it is a key level that has sponsored sales and sponsored buys already on the higher time frame. I can wait. I'm really proud of that kind of that statement that I can wait for trades, right? Can wait for trades. I can actually wait for trades. Do you feel me? So I can also mark out my levels. I was on call on a private call, just somebody that bought the mentorship course. He was having problems. I also said let's up on a call randomly, right? And I up on the call. I showed him some things. I told him that if you cannot wait for those I probably setups, you should just stop trading. I told you the truth, right? So let's say is a level that has put sells and buys already, and I've noticed okay the higher time frame the higher time frame, the higher time frame, what's it called? The higher time frame buys is like sells. Let's use buys. Let's use buys. I want bracket to come into this level and give me my confirmation, right? Give me my confirmation, something like this. Do you get something like this? I don't use Telegram today because Telegram sometimes doesn't we usually have problems with we usually have problems with the this thing. We usually have problems with the what's the word safe with the viewing. So I just prefer Zoom sometimes. The guys understand. So most of you guys understand this setup, right? Most of you guys understand this setup, right? Want to see this kind of thing, you guys are always jumping like, oh, time to buy, time to do this, time to do this. But I can show you like off my head, I can show you GPSD, USD on where this thing failed, USDPY where this thing failed. When you see something like this not happening, right? My what I see something like this, right? I'm not like just I guess I cited it, obviously. Like I'm a human being now. But this is just the candlestick confirmation. This is just the candlestick confirmation that market is going to buy from this level. What I want to see is the what is the structural confirmation. Is the structural confirmation. Once I don't see that structural confirmation, I'm not doing anything. Now, what the structural confirmation means just means basically means what low trend changed if market is coming to the market price is coming to this level, right, it is a counter trend, take it or leave it. The price that was coming to this level before this rejection, everything happened, is a counter trend to what you want to play. Let's say you want to play is what is a bullish this thing, bullish character, right? So basically, market was coming to this level is what was a bearish character. So I want to confirm that bearish character, that bearish movement is over. That counter trend is over. I want to confirm it first. And if it is not over, bro, I'm not doing anything. I'm not doing anything. Just mainly saying this, not leads me to start look for what? Start looking for um key levels that I can use. Oh, that is QMR, that is this, that is that. No, I won't do that. I can show you like examples ASAP. Let me just try and show you examples ASAP of the one I feel just this week alone. Please mute yourself till I'm done, please. I think there's one here. Is it this one? This was the Thursday for this. Okay, daily time frame. Yes, so it was on this day, yeah, Monday. So let's look at this right here now. Just take it back a little bit. Now, saying this, right, most persons will be like very, very excited, right? Very excited to look for buys on Nasdaq the next day. You go to the 4 hour time frame. What do you see on the 4 hour time frame? This is looking very, very nice, right? This is a key level that you can play from. But this is not confirmed for buys. This is not confirmed for buys because you have what? The structural confirmation is not there. Right? It's not there. We're seeing what? Seeing making lower lows, lower highs. Until market takes out this eye with the body, before I cannot say this is an high probability trading environment. And market does not do that. Market does not do that. It just comes from straight up, gives you a rejection. Right? People are literally taking this trade. I know traders are taking this trade. I know key level traders that are taking this trade. And what happened? Market fails them and they go again. We don't go again. A simple hack. Let's look at Bitcoin. Let's look at Bitcoin. It's just very, very simple stuff. Let's look at Bitcoin. Bitcoin now, why did this one fail? This this top fail right here. And what did this one buy? How did this one work out? Now if just take a look right here. You go to the daily time frame. Yes, GU. God bless you. God bless you, my man. God bless you. You know what I'm talking about. So these are the ways I avoid. These are the ways I avoid losses because you're just trading the way everybody is trading. You're going to get the same results they get. Now, most persons saw this right on BTC. I'm just trying to just show you something that like it try works. Do you feel me? This is a key level. Rejecting daily. You have CLT. Most people are squeezing buys, right? On the 4 hour time frame, I'm not seeing anything that is showing me buys here. You go to your 2 hour time frame, most persons were buying this. I know I was checking the public charts and I saw people buying, try to buy this. And I knew that they're going to lose money. Right? They're going to lose money. Market comes in, gives liquidity, takes out that low. As soon as it takes out the low, what do you see? Now it sweeps this low now, yeah. Structural confirmation, is it there now? Let's go to the 4 hour time frame and do your thing on the 2 hour time frame and just do your thing. Right? Or do you have lower lows, lower highs, lower lows, lower highs, lower lows right here, lower high, lower lows, then we have what? High. Then definitely this one will not work out. This one will not work, I have the same trade. I took the same trade with my students on doing the NFP call. Then this now becomes liquidity. This now becomes your trade. And this one should work out. Tap and go. Target is what? The range high. This is the range high right here. This gave you more than 5 hour. This gave more than 5 hour. Right. And that is it. Your trade is done. Euro AUD, I was definitely, I was just chatting on my public, my private group today. It just be like film. Yeah, okay. The marking is still there. Let me just exit replay mode. The markings are still there. Look at it. The markings are still there. Look at it. What this one work out? It's very the same thing. Let me just take it back. Just take it back a little bit right here. Go to daily time frame. Obviously, I saw my pattern. Obviously, I saw my pattern. Yes, Jeep New Zealand. God bless you, man. God bless. Same thing. I took Jeep New Zealand too. I don't just post on my trades. I don't just post on my trades. This is a key level. This is another one, right? This is a rejection from key level. The sweep right here, close above. This is an engulfing right here. I knew that this is my what? This is my target. You go to your 4 hour time frame, right? Where and what is the structural confirmation there, right? Lower lows, lower highs, lower lows, right? Higher highs. We have structural confirmation. Where's liquidity is liquidity. Where you don't take trade from daily V shape, which is this one right here. Market comes there, just mark it out. Very, very beautiful, very, very simple. You don't need to pay for mentorship, you don't need to do this kind of things. Just be disciplined, that's all. And trade this. That is all. Just trade this. This is a 3.5 hour trade. Just trade this, literally. And that is it. You are done for the day. You can take this one, you can take US, or you can take whatever it is. Just follow this template. Yes, use this daily stuff. Use this soup of the previous daily low or soup of the previous daily high as your guide, obviously, right? But make sure you have the what's it called, Seth? You have the social confirmation before you do anything, right? That's all I'm saying. I'm not saying you should not use that. Use those ones. But once you have the social confirmation, then you cannot say this is an A plus trade setup. This way I can actually risk high on my prop. I can risk like 2% on my prop during the evolution phase. I know that these kind of setups they rarely fail. I'm not saying they don't fail, they rarely fail. And you can have like high risk and high win rates with this kind of setups. And you can get multiple payouts. It's as simple as that. Now USDPY now, why did I not take USDPY? Instantly. That day that I sent it out, I had to like I had to wait for confirmations. What is the confirmation? The structural confirmation. Right. I was waiting for it like crazy, but I missed it to call of my listen today, my EPA stuff today. I was trying to do my clearance and everything. It's just basically the same thing, right? Basically the same thing. Now I've already showed you guys where I was expecting price to come from. Now this level right here has sponsored what? Sponsored sells to the downside, sponsored buys to the upside. Right, market went there, first rejection, second rejection, give us our CLT right here. Now I knew where price was going to low, but there's no structural confirmation yet. As simple as that. No structural confirmation yet. Right, you go to 4 hour time frame. I was also waiting for my structural confirmation yet. Market started to drop and pump a little bit slowly. I knew all this was going to be what liquidity, right? It's going to be liquidity. Now look at the market. Higher highs, higher lows. So higher highs, higher lows, higher highs, higher lows. Wait for market to shift to lower low. You try just follow it on line chart. We have lower low right there. Now come into your this thing. This is a key level, right? Right, that's key level. Wait for the confirmation, the same thing. Wait for the same confirmation. Sweep of the eye. Market sweeps the eye, close below. Right? You cannot go to your 1 hour time frame and look for this very, very simple entry. Your KML entry. It's as simple as that. This is just premium information. This information right here can if you apply it properly, like this liquidity, right? Tap and go. Can literally elevate your trading like crazy. Now, if you are someone that's crazy, I'm not that crazy. Me, I'm targeting this low, obviously. I'll be targeting this low, and this low can give you 5 hour plus, 6 hour sets, 7 hour, I think, no, around 7 hour. That's it good, I swear. And this is the target. This is the target right here. And that is basically it. That's basically it. Trading doesn't need to be filled with too much grammar, right? Too much grammar. Like this is like 5 hour. Okay, 5 hour. This one is like 10, 13, 14 hour. This 14 hour trade. Simple stuff. So I'll share this recording on YouTube, all right? So you guys can call anytime you talk, anytime you talk, that would be the title of this video. Anytime you talk, just go to my page, watch this video. Finish. This is all you need to succeed in your trading, right? This is all you need to succeed in your trading, bias level and everything. So anyway, peace guys. I'm go chop. I had fun today with you guys and I hope to do more. Bye.